We finally made it to bed, which is good because we have a very early wake-up call this morning because where are we going, Jamie?
To
Universal Studios. We're so excited. We are huge Potterheads, so really excited to see all the Harry Potter stuff. There was a 10-hour wait on Thursday when a new ride opened. Today is Saturday, so we're hoping it goes well. We've got a 2-hour drive ahead of us, so we gotta go.
We made it! Line starts here. Hi, how are you? Hi.
Okay, if it was 10 hours long, this whole thing would have been backed up.
True.
All right, so Thursday, the wait for this ride was 10 hours. It just opened. We were just told it's closer to 4 to 5 hours right now. We ran right into the line the second we got here. It's Hagrid's Magical Creatures Motorbike Adventure. Just opened on Thursday, brand new. We're super excited, super sweaty, and we barely even moved.
We'll let you know if it's 4 or 5 hours.
And we'll let you know.
Hopefully not 6 like it's predicting.
Yeah, and we'll let you know if it's worth waiting that long for as well. We don't even know yet. The line formed almost immediately upon entering the park and snaked through the entire park itself, zigzagging between other attractions and even through a few crew-only areas. We were happy to call this the behind-the-scenes tour. It took over 2 hours to even reach Hogsmeade, the entrance to the Harry Potter part of the park, and finally reach the official entrance to this new ride. We're 2 hours in, we're super sweaty. We're almost to the front though, we're really excited. Hopefully it's not too much longer. We're making it inside.
Oh, hello! I'm glad you found the place all right. I've got a very special Care of Magical Creatures class for you today.
Once we were inside, what we thought would only be a little while longer turned into 3 more hours. At one point, the line stopped moving and everyone sat down inside of the dark, narrow corridors of the line. Unfortunately, the ride seemed to be jinxed and broke down numerous times while we waited in line. We were too far in to back out now, and at last, our turn came to finally get on the ride. We're on hour 6, we finally made it on the ride, and it was super fun for a minute there, but now we're stuck. There's another group over there.
So moral of the story is never go on a brand new ride.
This one is cool, so if you're watching this like months from now, come on it.
No, it's great.
But the first half has been great. Just waited for it to break down twice inside, and I'm really hungry. I was like a kid in a candy store for a second there.
Now our ride's going backwards.
Yeah. worth the 6-hour wait. The whole track drops down. Oh my God. After a long morning and getting pretty hangry, Jamie and I treated ourselves to some butterbeers and explored Hogsmeade a bit before heading inside Hogwarts Castle for our next ride, Harry Potter and the Forbidden Journey. I have to say, waiting in line for this ride inside of Hogwarts was really cool, as the attention to detail was truly incredible.
We just did Harry Potter and the Forbidden Journey. Nearly tossed our cookies. Very like 3D and like... So now we're gonna go get some water and some aspirin after this lovely one. But it's been fun though otherwise. It was cool to check it out and be inside the castle too.
Afterwards, we got in line and enjoyed Flight of the Hippogriff, which was thankfully our shortest wait of the day. They tout this ride as more for kids, but we still found it to be very fun. Off to the side of Hogwarts Castle, there's a bridge which we found to be a great photo spot and a good place to cool down with some gilly water. We then ventured over to take the Hogwarts Express from Hogsmeade Station to King's Cross Station.
Wait, how about this one?
It's occupied.
Hi, anyways, back to us. We just took the train to King's Cross Station, which is actually Universal Studios. We came from Islands of Adventure within Universal Studios, and the train ride itself was really cool. I was not expecting a ride or like a journey. I thought it would just be like a tram, but no, it was actually like really cool. It really looked like the real train and everything. What was the ride that we didn't like? Harry Potter and the Forbidden Journey takes place inside Hogwarts Castle. Production value was amazing, and it really felt like we were in the castle. We've done the studio tour in London. Personally, I like this better because you were actually inside of it versus just like set walls and stuff. The ride itself,
it was great, but two people who get motion sick kind of easily didn't really go well for us.
if you get motion sick, maybe don't do that ride. We have one ride here, Escape from Gringotts. We're gonna go do that after we find something to eat, and that's our last Harry Potter themed ride.
I know.
We headed over to explore Diagon Alley, which, just like Hogsmeade, was beautifully detailed. Finally, we got in line for Harry Potter and the Escape from Gringotts.
Just gonna stop a swing. See our typical bankers here.
From there, you will be escorted to the vaults. A chance of pupils are stamped into the door and trapped inside.
Ready to go. It's a break.
This is not for everyone. Muggles might start the journey for the vault.
That was great. That was honestly my favorite ride that we did. Like the Hagrid's motorcycle one was really cool and like there's like whips and everything. But this, you were like super immersed in it. He Who Shall Not Be Named was there. Like it was real good.
We ended our day at Universal Studios watching the light show over the pond. For our final thoughts on the Wizarding World of Harry Potter, we weren't sure when we originally booked tickets if it would be worth buying tickets to both parks, Universal Studios and Island of Adventure. But being big Harry Potter fans, I'm glad we were able to see both parks and enjoy all 4 themed rides. It was somewhat ambitious to try to see it all in one day. However, now that Hagrid's Motorbike Adventure has been out for a while, yes, I am super behind in editing my videos. It hopefully won't take up the majority of your day if you're planning to visit both parks and also do all 4 rides. And if given the chance, I would do it all over again in a heartbeat. If you like this video, give it a boop, and I'll be sure to see you in the next video. Mischief managed.